Okay, so now that we have our getTickerID function made, we can now easily take this function, we're going to copy it, and we're going to erase it from our main file. We're going to put it in the getData file. At the top, we're just going to make some more room here. We're going to paste that function. And now, since we have this function ready, we can go ahead and create more functions. So just as we did in the last video where we made the real-time pricing example, now we can convert all of this to a secondary function. And to do that, we're going to erase the ticker ID. We're going to define our second function called getStockData. It's going to take in a ticker, and then we're going to tab over everything else underneath. And from here, we need to define our ticker ID. Now, how can we do that? Well, very easily done by doing this. Ticker ID equals getTickerID ticker. So now, what we can do is, let's say we wanted to store all of these variables like we are doing here. We've already done that, right? So most of the work has already been done. So let's say we wanted to have all of the stock data returned to us. Let's say we just want to get, for this example, the open, high, low, and close for whatever ticker we want. To do this, we're going to create a dictionary called data, put it in curly brackets, and we're going to define the open as open. Make a comma. High, high, low, low, close, close. Let's also get the 52-week high as well, and the volume. So the volume we'll define as volume, and then volume. 50 underscore high is going to be, we'll have to redefine that real quick. So 50 high equals response 0, 52 week high, and 50 low is response 0, 52 week low, just like that. Then we'll return this as well. It's 50 high, and then lastly 50 low to 50 low. Now we can simply just return data. Now we're going to go back to our main file, and we're going to do this. We're going to do from getData import getStockData. Now, to get the stock data we want, it's very easily done. You just do stock data equals getStockData GME. Print stock data. We're going to see what happens when we run this in our terminal. There you have it. Open, the high, the low, the close, the volume, the 50 high, and the 50 low for GME have all been returned in our terminal. If we wanted to define these variables individually, all we would do is we would say open equals stock data, open, close equals stock data, close, low, stock data, low, high, stock data, high, 50 high, stock data, 50 high, and then 50 low, stock data, 50 low. Now we have all of these defined, and we can easily print them however we want. If we wanted to print the 50 high, 50 low, and all of the variables we just defined, just simply print them as print statements. So ticker 50 low is 50 low, and then actually instead of passing in GME like that, we're going to pass in a ticker variable, and then we're going to define the ticker initially as GME. So tickers 50 low is 50 low, tickers 50 high is 50 high, and the latest price is close. So now we can go ahead and print this and see what we get. And as you can see here, GME's 50 low is 1541. The high is 47.99. And just like we did before, I can change GME to whatever ticker I want, and it will return the subsequent data for whatever ticker I decide to input, just like so. Pretty neat. That is our second function for stock data.